So what we're going to try to do is we're going to look at 25. Okay, so the first thing is you really want to see if you can rewrite this number as a base with an exponent. That's the best one. But if you can't, I don't want to say it's the best one, but that's where you need to start. You always have to have a starting point. So ask yourself, can I rewrite 25 with a base? Like, can I rewrite it as 3 squared, 5 squared? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to rewrite it as log base 2 of 5 squared. Now, the power rule says we can take the 2 and put it where? In front of the log. Okay, so now this is where it comes down to. So you guys, that's the power rule. The power rule says if you have a base raised to with an exponent, you can take the exponent and put it in front of log. That means 2 times log base 2 of 5. So now, log base 2 of 5, is that something I expect you to know, or is it something I gave you? I gave it to you, and it is 2.3219. So we're going to do 2 times 2.3219, because I gave you log base 2 of 5. So we're going to multiply, and what is your answer? So use your calculator and let's find out. I want everyone to try it. Brooke.
4.643.
Are there any questions? What questions do you have about how I did that? Do you guys feel confident about that? Yes.
I just got 4.638.
So that 2 came from that exponent, and so it means 2 times. So since we know that, we'll multiply it by 2. You guys feel good?
Yes.
Okay. I would like to see if you can start this one, because I want to do everything, because I want to make sure that you guys can start it. So let's see if you guys can tell me how I should do this.
Do log and then 2 and 3.
Yep, 3 to the third. Yep. So it's log base 2, 3 of 3. Because we can rewrite 27 as 3 to the third power. Okay, go ahead.
3.
Yep, go ahead.
3 log base 2.
That as exponent went into the front of log. Okay, so now at this point, this is where you ask yourself, am I supposed to know what log base 2 of 3 is, or did she give me log base 2 of 3?
You gave
it to us.
I gave it to you. So now it becomes 3 times whatever log base 2 of 3 is, which is 1.5850. And what is the final? Yes.
4.755.
Perfect. Okay, here's 3. Okay, log base 2 of 3 of 5. Now again, you guys, 6th period, they asked me a really good question. They said, is it always going to be log base 2? For these problems, yes, because they gave us log base 2 of a number. So they can't change the log on you. Okay? They're never, like, you're never going to have log base 2 of 3 and log base 2 of 5, and all of a sudden I give you log base 7. Because you can't do that. Okay? Maybe next unit, but right now, this, you're not going to be able, you won't be able to do it. Okay. So this is it looks like a fraction, but a fraction is a division problem. So how do you rewrite a division problem? You write it as a subtraction. So it would be log base 2 of 3. So log base 2 of 3 minus log base 2 of 5. Okay. Do I expect you to know log base 2 of 3, or did I give you something? Okay, so I gave you 1.5850 minus 2.3219. Again, you know I always ask you, do I expect you to know log base 2 of 5, or did I give it to you? I gave it to you, and so when someone has the answer, go ahead. Don't shout it out, but raise your hand.
Negative 0.7369.
What questions do you have?